What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be putting together our budget PC build. As anybody who actually watches has noticed, I haven't been streaming here on YouTube lately, and that's because my old PC's just been pooing on me hard. So I set aside a budget to myself of $1,100. I ended up spending after tax and shipping $1,043, and this is my 2020 budget PC build purely off of Newegg. Should do everything I want it to do. I'm not trying to get something to play Cyberpunk and Ultra. I'm trying to, make a computer that's going to be reliable for streaming and video editing. So we're going to get into unboxing everything from Newegg and checking out the packaging, and then we're going to put all the components together and fire up this badass PC. Just a reminder as to why we're doing this new build. That's what we're working with right now. I got some of the components in today. We're going to unbox them, just take a look at them to see what the packaging quality is. I've already started opening this box. This is for the tower. It's a Cooler Master Box MB511. I already noticed on one side here, there's quite a significant hole. So I started taking the box off. I flipped it over, didn't finish, so get this the rest of the way off. And, oh, I don't know if you can see it, but right there, there's an impact mark in the plastic. So let me pause this and get the plastic off this thing. It looks like it was a tight fit. So it looks like it's packaged pretty well. Let's go ahead and get all this plastic off and take a look. So in the package, we have this. I'm assuming maybe there's hardware inside. This is the side of the box where the damage was, and there does not appear to be any damage to the surface. Looks like it came with a single fan in the back here, pre-wired, which my other Cooler Master case over there is the same way. Then it's got, looks like a slot inside of here for 3 fans. Oh, I didn't even look at the oh wait, I just noticed. Ooh, hold on, we gotta flip this thing up. This hole, is this like... Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, that's really finicky and loose. Okay. Anyway, yeah, there's a slot in there. Let's look at this. Oh, look at that! Oh, I can't wait. Woo! That's pretty sick. Let's get all this stuff off. Oh, yeah! I can't wait to fill your insides with components. I would like to get fans for those 3 slots right there. I have to do that in the future. For now, I'm just going to rob a couple of the fans out of my current tower. Alright, here we have our next package, which I believe this is my internal solid-state drive and my power supply. Let's go ahead and open her on up. I like seeing the packaging like that. Very good. Little bubble packaging. Oh, some stupid BS about... Yeah. Oh, there it looks like there's a little... There's our internal terabyte solid-state drive. And here is our nice, pretty... Whoa. It's a heavy mofo. Jeez. Oh, man, this thing's a freaking tank. Woo! This is our Corsair CX750M Bad MF power supply 2017 edition because I'm broke and going cheap. It's a bad. I have a Corsair power supply in the old PC right now. I really like Corsair, and I think I even have a CX750, an extra one laying around that has a messed up capacitor in it. I'm really thrilled with the packaging on that. Couldn't have done any better. So next we're going to dive into either our RAM or our graphics card. Alright guys, in this box we should have the graphics card and motherboard. My RAM was supposed to be here, but this will be a note. It went through this thing called UPS Mail Innovations, and I just want to note, if anybody has to deal with this, it is trash. My RAM has been sitting at some sorting facility for the past 4.5 days, and I literally cannot get an update on it. Can't even call the sorting facility to get an update. And said sorting facility in particular, which I know there's a bunch across the nation, but this one has literally have a 1-star review on Google because of how bad it is. But anyway, let's unbox our, like I said, this should be our graphics card and our motherboard. Let's go ahead and unbox her. Or you should be taking out a Gigabyte 1660 Ti overclocked graphics card and a MSI Pro MX4 motherboard, something along those lines. I mean, we'll see the name on the box when I open it. Awesome is here. Well, my RAM would have been awesome, but you never brought me my RAM, so awesome is not here. Woohoo! Air packaging, thank you. Appreciate that. All right. Damn. That looks like our graphics card right there. GeForce. I always say GeForce GTX 1660 Ti, made by Gigabyte. That's what it is, the B550A Pro. Anyway, Ryzen. It's our CPU is going to be Ryzen. Oh, this thing's got some weight. Oh, jeez. All right. Well, anyway. Alright, here we go. Well, another one of those things. T-Force, that's it. There's our RAM. Alright. Now for the CPU. Alright, the last piece of the puzzle. This is the processor in a very heavily taped box. This thing's been lost like the RAM was for a few days. I was really worried, but I got it. I'm going to go ahead and slice this thing open, and let's see what's inside. Alright, all I've done is cut the box. I'm going to go ahead and open it up here. Okay. Bubble wrap. A year's worth of bubble wrap. Alright. What is that? Is that like this must be the thermal stuff, right? Yep, thermal grease. Alright. Look at all the like Japanese, Asian stuff. That is a true holographic sticker. So let's go ahead and see. I think there's like a serial number somewhere. I'm not sure where the serial number. Oh, right there, serial number. It's hard to see. Let's see if it matches. 9JE8. Yep. All right. Well, it's our Ryzen 5 3600. Let's go ahead and slap this computer together now. Before we get started, I'm gonna just all right. Ta-da! I'm gonna glove up here, and we're gonna assemble the motherboard, and then gonna like probably skip to a time lapse of actually putting everything together. Gonna be assembling here's the motherboard, CPU, and RAM. As a matter of fact, yeah, this is all just going to be time lapse of me drinking beer and putting this together, but There we have it. CPU mounted and locked with the cooler on and our RAM installed. And now we're going to start actually putting everything in the case. Let's go. Alright, hopefully I have everything hooked up right, because I kind of like have no idea what I'm doing. I was like setting everything up in place, and I like had to kind of push on my graphics card to plug this in. I heard a loud snap sound. I'm not sure if I didn't have the graphics card all the way snapped in or what, but there she is in all her glory. I'm going to finish putting it back together, and I'm going to try to boot it up, I guess. Alright, now I know it's a little dark, but we have our moment of truth. Oh yeah, should probably flip the power switch first. Alright, power on. Oh, I'm scared. Well, seems to be a good sign. Need more light in here though, very dark. Memory modules were found on non-optimized memory slot. Please follow the instruction. Oh. AMD Ryzen 5 6 core. Let's go with SATA port 1. That's got Windows on it. Oh, check it out. I think I fucking put together a computer and I think it's working. I need more light in there. It's kind of hard to see. It doesn't really look all that nifty-glifty right now. But it's running. A few days after I put it together, I picked up these Cooler Master 3-pack of fans. Kind of light stuff up a little bit more in there. I also moved the RAM to the correct slots. I didn't realize that they weren't in the right slots. And then I got my 2 fans up there. Those 2 fans are really old. And like I've been constantly watching my temperatures and everything, and like I tried doing a little test hit on Warzone with recording through OBS, and it got up like into the mid 80s for Celsius. So I just got another 3-pack because I do have a fan back here that came in the case, but I want the fancy light up ones like this one. So I got 3 of the Halo ones, and I'll replace these 2 with those because I think these are just, they're old. They're really old. I mean, that's got like a metal grate on it. But anyway, it is fully functional and working, and I don't remember if I went over my budget or not, but I did. So, yeah.